Out the way, ducks. Hello, I'm Tom, Paddle with Tom. Welcome to my channel. So, why have I set this up? Basically, I've started paddling and bought myself a kayak, and I love being on water. I used to have boats. A few years ago, and decided that it was something I wanted to do. My wife doesn't want to do it, doesn't want to be on the water anymore, so set up a little group in Lechlade, where near the upper part of the Thames where I'm from, and I've been out, as you will have seen if you watched the first video on the channel. So what can you expect on this channel? Well, pretty much my kayaking adventures. Might do some reviews of equipment like this buoyancy aid that I've got, maybe the kayak, some of the bits and pieces that I've bought. Might also review filming equipment. In my day job I'm a cameraman, so I work with drones and mini cameras and things like this. You may have seen the 360 videos on the channel already. And adventures, trips out wherever I may be. I'm currently sat in the kayak almost as far as you can go up the Thames. I don't quite often spending a lot of time on my own, really, so this is going to be another interesting thing. Sorry, the wind's picked up and I'm being blown into. Let me just sort this out, 1 second. Like, yeah, warts and all, this channel, warts and all. Right, let me just turn around. So if you'd like to join me for the ride, like and subscribe, and let's go on an adventure together. Now, where does this go?